not?
Yes, I can't see that part.
Alafu mwalimu, today what is mwalimu, I have a question. Even as you're opening the machine, even as you're opening the machine, what time are we finishing? Last time my husband was like, "Hey, hizi kusema hiyo iishi."
I understand. Actually, we're supposed to clear at around, because this is a 3-day session, we're supposed to clear at around 8:30. You can go up to 8:40, no worries, because after it's just a matter of showing us how to load, then we extract one thing. Then for today we can take a rest. So you're not reviewing this item?
Yeah, the validity part.
Valid, error, and empty. I'm not seeing those ones.
I can only see them when I move my cursor.
You can see when?
When I move my cursor close there, I see it disappears. So just how to expand it.
Now I okay. Even when I move the cursor, now I can see, but now it disappears when the cursor moves.
So if you click, you see this. That's what I want to guide you. I don't know why it is appearing on your end. Mununue mashini. I'm just kidding. So
mashini yangu ni kali sana, usione tu hivi we.
Just kidding. Okay, so like when you click this area here, you see the Excel part. Let me just highlight this. You see this area here? Then there is area that is telling you to keep row. Let me just make sure that this is checked. Just a moment. This is checked on your case. All this is checked. Keep top rows.
Which one is checked?
Yes.
This the one I'm showing here. See, these are copy entire table, use first rows and headers, add custom column. Then there's keep top rows. Is it checked?
Yeah, it's checked.
Even mine is checked.
And why is it not appearing at that point? Let me just, if you remove your cursor, it's disappearing, right?
Yeah.
So that is I know it should be the setup of the machine. Let me try this other option to guide you well so that you can have exactly what you do have. So what I want us to do, probably it depends with your machine, but this is what I want you to do. Come to your that should be which area? Let it display first. I want us to come to your view. Are you on the view? Then confirm if column quality is checked.
Wow. Okay. Now it has come for my end.
Yeah, it has come.
Yes. I've added you another certificate.
Hey, by the time we will know these things, we need to follow you through so that we become sharp like you.
Yes.
It's yeah.
You must be related to Baba. He is also active in AU today. AU interview.
Actually, today is the interview. We must check that interview. We must check the debate. So make sure that is there. Make sure that this is checked. So there are two options. Many times, if at all it's not displaying, you can either come to this area. If this is checked and still not showing, you go to the second area of correction, which is the view. Then you check the column quality if it's checked. Because if you remove the column quality, this data will disappear. See, so you won't be able to view the column quality. But once that is checked, of course, you can be able to view it. So all of us, we should be having at least, the validity point should be 99%, not 100, right?
Yes.
99, 99, 99, 99, meaning that at least there is an area where we need, of course, to where we need to clean it. And why is it showing 99%? Because I'm having empty cells. See, empty cells. You see under empty each and every %, right? So I need us to remove this, remove the empty cells. Just click remove empty cells. So once you remove the empty cells, then you'll find that in this case, we should be having valid to be 100%. If you remove empty cells. Want us to achieve that?
I'm sorry, my machine may hang. We may remove empty cell how? From where?
In that case, you can either right click, then you remove empty cells, or there's that icon which will tell you below just to remove empty cells. It will just appear. Remove empty. You can come on this point, then you right click, then you remove empty. Or before you remove, there's that area which will appear just automatically. It will guide you. It will already, because this it is powered with artificial intelligence. Of course, it will be able to note the empty cells where they are. Then you just click remove empty. So two options. If that pop-up is not appearing, you just right click, then you remove empty. You just click remove empty. It will remove empty cells so that it will clean your data. Are we achieving that? Make sure that we are achieving that.
Mwalim, are you recording?
You should be recording, I think, right? Should be recording.
Yes, that's why
it's recording. So make sure that we do that so that we can come at home, then we close and apply. See? So when you are closing and applying, it means that we're applying these changes. We have removed the empty cells. 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 So on that case, all we need to do, you come, close, and apply. Close and apply. Close and apply. So you close and apply. So once we have our click,
details, payment details.
Once you have our click, close and apply. Kindly let me use. So once you have our clicked, close and apply, then of course it should take you back to Power BI. It should take us back to this point. Then you'll find that it will just automatically do what? It will automatically save that data. It will automatically, of course, it will automatically apply the changes. It will automatically apply the changes. It will automatically apply the changes.
A query.
Yes, please.
Mine have closed, apply the changes. It's really, there are pending changes in your queries that haven't been applied. Should I then
apply?
Okay, apply changes.
Yeah, apply changes.
Then close.
Then it will just don't close. Don't close fast.
it's indicating sheet 1, the column 23 cells wasn't found.
It's showing what?
It's a different column, 23 cells of the table wasn't found. Should I discard that one?
It's showing which error. It's supposed to bring your blank after it has applied the changes. It's supposed to bring you to this area on this canvas.
Okay, let me try. Let me discard the changes on sheet 1. So it has taken.
Supposed to bring us on this canvas.
No. It hasn't brought me there. Let me just try it from the initial stage as we continue. If I get stuck, then I'll get back here.
Kindly. Kindly. So on that case, these are of course what we'll be having after it has applied all that. You come and click that sheet, the same sheet that we were on. You see just on this area here, that sheet will appear. This is the sheet that we're looking at. This is a sheet that you're talking about. This is a sheet that you're talking about. So we are clicking 2023 cells. Come and click 2023 cells. That should be, this is the data that you're looking at. So you can either click any of the sheets that we want all along. But for us, we wanted this case. So first of all, even before you click, what I wanted us to learn is the cleaning of data. See, there's that aspect of cleaning of data using our ETL extraction. Transformation is where we had that part of cleaning. Transformation is where we had that part of cleaning. Transformation is where we had that part of cleaning. Transformation is where we had that part of cleaning. Now, on what Mwalimu guided us, on report view, we have the data view, the table view, we have the aspect of connections, how our data are related. See? So these are what now we need to use. These are what now we need to use. But first of all, of course, from now on, it will be a matter of preparing our data. So step number 1, redo that process of cleaning the data as many times as you can. Repeat that process of cleaning our data as many times as you can. Because today I just wanted us to learn, first of all, up to uploading our data and cleaning our data, so that at least you can learn that process. Because once you've gotten that right, the other 2 Excel workbooks that we'll be having, it requires us to go and do further cleaning. So first step, the data that you have, make sure that you reuse the data several times to make sure that you understand how to clean that part, So what I want you guys to do for Mwalimu, review what we've done in relation to the pivot concept in Excel, because that concept, it will be very important to help us analyze our data in Power BI. Then number 2, I'll want us to try and go through the Power Query on whatever the data that we've uploaded, how to clean, make sure that you repeat that step. Try to come up with the data without any error, try to upload and try to clean. It is very simple procedure. So that next step, I want us to, of course, now use DAX language. DAX language is simply, of course, data analytics expression. And as per our foundation here, see this foundation of ours. Based on our foundation, on this house that we are building, there's that bit, ETL, extraction, transformation, then load. So that next class, I want us to learn data model, measures, and visualization on the same data. Then we'll use another data now to do all these steps at once up to the point of publishing. That will be the next session. So the third class will be a matter of us redoing using our own different company from step 1 up to the last step. So kindly, at the moment, try to review what we've done so that we'll have a date again. We'll have a date on Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday will be our last session. Tomorrow we'll be having a session. So we'll have a date on Monday because I know 𝘃𝐿 on 18th there about some people will be breaking, but I want us to clear on Monday and Tuesday. And I know during the weekend, you'll have time to go through what? To go through the system clearly. You'll have time to go through the system clearly. So maybe not unless there's a very specific question. I want to upload this class in the next like 1 hour. After this, I'll be uploading the same class so that you can find the same on your platform accounts. You just go to our BI live, then at point of course, you can get this class uploaded so that you can review the class as many times as you want to review. Any question? Any question?
If you do it within an hour, you will appreciate it. Then I want to try to log in. So I just want to believe 𝑤𝘪𝑜 to sort so that by the time we are logging in, we are good to go.
That should be sorted out. Come on, sorted out. I'm the one with the phone now. You can just try, then I'll try sort it out. Come, anyone who is not sorted out on the platform. I'm the one with the phone. I'm the one with the phone now. Great. You guys have a good night. See you next time. Bye-bye.